Welcome back to the channel. Today you're joining me in the workshop with a intercooler, charge pipe kit and turbo inlet. This is all from PRL, so let's get this unboxed and see what we've got to fit. So I mentioned we've got the intercooler, the charge pipes and the turbo inlet pipe. So we'll have a look. One thing I do like about the PRL products actually is how well packed they are. They come through and you can see that you're buying quality with these, so it's always quite a nice occasion to unbox the PRLs. So there we've got most of our full kit, which looks to be the boost pipes there. Obviously we'll get this out and you'll see it all properly as it goes onto the car. Again, a nice well-packed turbo inlet pipe. And again, that one there is not going to get damaged in transit, so really impressed just how well they're put together, the sort of instructions that you get in with them, and it's proving to be a firm favourite with a lot of owners. The customer's actually opted for some of the Acuity bushings, and if you'll see here, it's a well-timed job to be doing these bushes with the boost pipes at the same time. It's quite a simple fitting now, so like I say, once the boost pipes are out of the way, we can easily prise the old bushing out and then fit in the stronger bushes that we got there. We've just finished up fitting on the intercooler and pipework today. The car's actually due back with us in a couple of weeks' time for a PRL downpipe, front pipe and a Honda remap, so we'll check in with the car again then. In the meantime though, if you want to see the customer and what he's up to on the build of this car, you can see him on Instagram at @thebat_FK8. If you like the video from us today, feel free to leave a comment below, and remember, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you on the next one.